Good morning friends. Welcome to my channel. Today is I will explain you how black hole is formed and about it. So friends, let's begin. Don't let the name fool you. A black hole is anything but empty space. Rather, it is a great amount of matter packed into a very small area. Think of a star 10 times more massive than the sun squeezed into a sphere approximately the diameter of New York City. The result is a gravitational field so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. In recent years, NASA instruments have painted a new picture of these strange objects that are too many, the most fascinating object in space. The idea of an object in space so massive and dense that the light could not escape it has been around from centuries. Most famously, black holes were predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity, which showed that when a massive star dies, it leaves behind a small dense remnant core. If the core's mass is more than about 3 times the mass of the Sun, the equation showed the force of gravity overwhelms all other forces and produces a black hole. Scientists can directly observe black hole with telescope that detects X-ray, light, or other form of electromagnetic radiation. We can, however, infer the presence of black hole and study them by detecting their effects on other matter nearby. If a black hole passes through a cloud of interstellar matter, for example, it will draw matter inward in a process known as accretion. A similar process can occur if a normal star passes close to a black hole. In this case, the black hole can tear the star apart as it pulls it toward itself. As the attracted matter accelerates and heat up, it emits X-ray that radiates into space. Recent discovery offers some tantalizing evidence that black holes have a dramatic influence on the neighborhood around them, emitting powerful gamma rays, bursts debuting nearby stars and spurring the growth of new stars in some areas while stalling it in others. So, friends, now let's see how a black hole is formed. Most black holes form from the remnant of a large star that dies in a supernova explosion. Smaller stars become dense neutron stars, which are not massive enough to trap light if the total mass of the star is large, about 3 times the mass of the Sun. It can be proven theoretically that no force can keep the star from collapsing under the influence of gravity. However, as the star collapses, a strange thing occurs. As the surface of the star nears an imaginary surface called the event horizon. Time on the star slows relative to the time kept by observer far away. When the surface reaches the event horizon, time stands still and the star can collapse no more. It is a frozen, collapsing object. Even bigger black hole can result from stellar collision soon after its launch in December 2004. NASA's Swift telescope observed the powerful fleeting flashes of light known as gamma rays bursts. Chandra and NASA's Hubble Space Telescope later collected data from the event's afterglow, and together the observation led astronomers to conclude that the powerful explosion can result when a black hole and a neutron star collide, producing another black hole. Babies and giants. All through the basic formation process is understood. One perennial mystery is in the science of black hole is that they appear to exist on two radical different size scales. On the one end, there are the countless black holes that are the remnant of massive stars peppered throughout the universe. These stellar mass black holes are generally 10 to 24 times as massive as the sun. Astronomers spot them when another star runs near enough for some of the matter surrounding it to be snared by the black hole's gravity, cheering out X-ray in the process. Most stellar black holes, however, lead isolated lives and are impossible to detect, judging from the number of stars large enough to produce such black holes. However, scientists estimate that there are as many as 10 million to billion such black holes in the Milky Way alone. On the other end of the size spectrum are the giant known as supermassive black hole, where are million if not billion of times as massive as the sun. Astronomers believe that supermassive black holes lie at the center of virtually all large galaxies, even our own Milky Way. Astronomers can detect them by watching for their effect on nearby stars and gas. Historically, astronomers have long believed that no mid-sized black hole exists. However, recent evidence from Chandra examines and Hubble strengthens the case that mid-sized black holes do exist. One possible mechanism for the formation of supermassive black hole involves a chain reaction of collision of stars in a compact star cluster that result in the buildup of extremely massive stars which then collapse to form intermediate mass black holes. The star cluster then sink to the center of the black galaxy, where the intermediate mass black holes merge to form a supermassive black hole. So, friend, this is information about how a black hole is formed. So, friends, welcome to the Thought Zone. So, I will tell you the top 5 thoughts. So, let's begin. A day wasted on others is not wasted on one's self. The next one. I slept and I dreamed that life is all joy. I woke and saw that life is all service. I served and I saw that service is a joy. The third one. When you are able to shift your inner awareness to how you can serve others, and when you make this the central focus of your life, you will then be in a position to know true miracle in your progress towards prosperity. The fourth one, practice kindness all day to everybody and you will realize you are already in heaven now. The last, fifth one, love only grow by sharing. You can only have more for yourself by giving it away to others. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.